Chapter 13. Data Handling. We often see bar, line, and circle graph in newspapers. Each graph looks different from the other. Each graph shows different information. Cut out some from a newspaper and paste them in your practical notebook. Drawing a bar graph. In a bar graph, the height or length of a bar shows numbers. We follow these steps to draw a bar graph. 1. Draw two perpendicular lines on a grid or a graph paper. One line is vertical and the other line is horizontal. Mark the meeting point of these two lines as O. 2. Choose a scale for the given information such that the length of the bars can fit in the graph. 3. Mark the vertical line with chosen scale. Mark the horizontal line for bars of equal width and equal space between them. Label the vertical and horizontal line. 4. Draw the bars as per scale. Shade or color the bars. Write the scale and title of the graph on the top. Example 1. The number of goals scored by 5 teams in a football tournament is given below. Draw a bar graph for the above information and label it. 1. Two perpendicular lines are drawn on a grid. Their meeting point is labeled as 0. Their meeting point is labeled O. 2. A suitable scale on the vertical line is 1 cm equals to 1 goal. 3. Markings are made on vertical line as per scale. Markings are done on horizontal line for 5 bars for 5 teams. Keep the bars equal in width and with equal space between them. Label the vertical line with number of goals and the horizontal line with teams. 4. Draw the bars with heights as per given information and shade them. Write the scale and title of the graph on the top. 5. Now let us answer some questions related to this graph. A. Which team scored the maximum number of goals? How many? B. How many goals did team E score? C. What is the difference in the number of goals scored by team A and team D? D. What is the total number of goals scored? Answer: A. C. 7, B. 5, C. 3, D. 25. Drawing a circle graph. Circle graphs are circular chart in which each number is shown as a fraction of the total number. We follow these steps to draw a circle graph. 1. Draw a circle of any radius and mark its center. 2. Note the figures given in the table and find their total. Write a fraction in lowest term for each figure. 3. Mark these fractions in the drawn circle. Shade different parts and label them. Example 2. The number of trees planted by 4 classes in a school is given below. Draw a circle graph to represent the data. A. Draw a circle with a suitable radius, say 2.5 cm. B. The given figure in the table are 5, 5, 10 and 20. Sum equals to 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 equals to 40. Fraction for each figure is 5 by 40 equals to 1 by 8. 20 by 40 equals to 1 by 2. 10 by 40 equals to 1 by 4. C. Mark these fractions in the circle and shade and label them. Fraction of trees planted by 4 classes. Drawing a line graph. A line graph is drawn to show the increase or decrease in numbers with time. We follow these steps to draw a line graph. 1. Draw two perpendicular lines on a grid or graph paper. One line is vertical and the other line is horizontal. Mark the meeting point of two lines as O. As 0. 2. Choose a scale for the given information such that the points of the lines can fit in the graph. 3. Mark the vertical line with the chosen scale. Mark the horizontal line with equidistant points. Label the vertical and horizontal line. Line graph. A, B, X. 4. Take a set of corresponding numbers from the table A, B. Locate A on the vertical line and draw a horizontal line from it. Locate B on the horizontal line and draw a vertical line from it. Extend these lines till they meet at point X. Circle X. Mark such points on the graph for all sets of numbers in the table. 5. Join all the cross points from first to last. This gives the line graph. 6. Write the title for the graph on the top. Example 3. The number of people entering a mall at 5 different times of the day is given below. Represent the information as a line graph. A. Two perpendicular lines are drawn on a graph paper. Their meeting point is labeled as O. B. Suitable scales are chosen for both vertical line and horizontal line. On the vertical line, 1 cm equals to 100 people. On the horizontal line, 1 cm equals to 1 hour. This horizontal line is compressed between 0 and 11 am by a kink, and so is vertical line between 0 and 100. C. Dot marks are put for each pair of corresponding values in the table. The marks are joined to get the line graph. Label the line and write the title. The kink is used to compress or hide some unused numbers after 0. Here it hides time from midnight to 10 am. Now answer the following questions based on the line graph. A. At what time did maximum number of people enter the mall? B. How many people entered the mall at 11 am? C. What is the number of people who entered the mall after 3 pm? Answer. A. 1 pm. B. 150. C. 300 plus 100 equals to 400.